Good morning, my friends. Happy Tuesday to all of you. Huge developments have been made on the fourth stimulus package. Low-income households will be receiving billions of more dollars in crisis relief assistance this year. Also, Congress is now promoting a new credit that can be claimed by financially struggling Americans. So please make sure that you watch until the end of this video for all of the details. I will also be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. To enter the giveaway, simply click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember, friends, that the more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the $75 Walmart gift card.
So we bring this experience to the table and hearing from so many people. So this task force really come together with three major goals. Lower the drug costs for Americans. Unleash new innovative medicines, devices, diagnostics to treat and cure diseases. That's the bottom line. And promote American-made medicines. So our goal, lower drug costs. Well, H.R. 19 is a Republican bill, but it's really full of bipartisan measures that have developed over time. There's about 36 measures in there. And some of the things that are in H.R. 19 would lower drug costs without sacrificing innovation. It would do an out-of-pocket cap for seniors. Site-neutral drug payments. Drug payments for things like in-office IV therapies, etc. If it's site neutral, once it becomes part of a hospital, the price goes up. Price goes up for everyone. And we want to make sure that we can, as soon as possible, develop quality generic medications so that there's good competition out there. At the same time, protect patents of new innovations, because when we don't do that, then we lose those innovations. So that leads to the...
Here is some great news for those of you residing in the state of Connecticut. Right now, the biggest tax cut in Connecticut history is being delivered to residents. Connecticut Governor Ned Lamont signed House Bill 5506 into law. This is the fiscal year 2023 budget adjustment bill. This bill includes tax cuts that will benefit families, students, and seniors. It will also extend a 25-cent gas tax suspension and free bus transportation through December 1st of this year. The budget features more than $600 million in tax cuts, which includes providing a $250 per child tax credit for low and middle-income families, while also working to fund payments for the Earned Income Tax Credit for all eligible households. Under this law, the property tax credit is to increase to $300 from originally $200. Taxes on pensions and annuities will also be eliminated under this bill. Governor Lamont has told reporters this bipartisan budget gives taxpayers their largest tax cut in history, while paying down approximately $3.3 billion in unfunded liabilities, making groundbreaking investments in childcare, crime prevention, environmental protection, and caring for our most vulnerable residents. So friends, here's some more important news. An entirely new group of taxpayers may benefit from the federal child tax credit. The Internal Revenue Service announced new guidelines for these families, who may claim the enhanced credits under the American Rescue Plan. The guidelines are aimed at residents of Puerto Rico, who are eligible for up to $3,600 per child, but they must file a tax return. Chuck Redding, the IRS commissioner, has said in an official statement, "It is important for residents of Puerto Rico to know that starting with tax year 2021, having only one child qualifies you for the child tax credit. We want everyone in Puerto Rico who's entitled to this benefit to file to receive the child tax credit. Residents of Puerto Rico can claim the full amount of the credit for taxable year 2021, even if they had no income and paid no U.S. Social Security taxes. According to the Internal Revenue Service, families can claim the credit until April 15, 2025. The main goal of the payments in 2021 was to provide families with additional income. Families will now be able to claim the credit on their tax returns. But friends, it is important to remember that even if families do not earn enough to file, they may still claim the child tax credit. For 2022, families may claim up to $2,000 per child under the age of 17. Married couples who earn up to $400,000 will qualify. For singles and those who file as head of household, the income threshold is $200,000. Friends, the keyword for this video is flamingo. If you would like to enter tomorrow's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is flamingo, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do verify, friends, that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. Now, the IRS has estimated that about 20% of people eligible for the Earned Income Tax Credit are not claiming that money. And that credit alone could mean thousands of dollars to families across the U.S. In fact, the Treasury Inspector General found that about 5 million eligible Americans are not claiming these credits, leaving $7 billion unclaimed. The Earned Income Tax Credit was introduced in the United States to provide a helping hand to lower-income working families, as the idea is that this allows tax filers to retain the majority of their money. For anyone who worked last year but had low or moderate income, you may qualify for the Earned Income Tax Credit. In fact, as the Earned Income Tax Credit is a refundable tax credit, it is possible to still get a refund, even if you don't owe any taxes. The credit reduces the amount of income tax owed to federal government and can be refundable in the event that the tax filer's credit is larger than their tax liability. The value of the earned income tax changes each year and depends on the amount of earnings, the number of qualifying children, and also your marital status. Well, my friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate every single one of you who are watching my videos daily. Thank you so much, friends. The winner of yesterday's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway is Joni Maxwell. Congratulations, my friend. So, friends, if I have announced you as the winner, please check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page to claim the gift card. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Tuesday.